welcome to Parkour and a normal mob. So this is Parkour. Parkour map I made myself. Y'all cannot play it. Not exactly on map, it just a thing on the top that I made up. That was a one block. You got to have blocks in case something goes wrong. That water bucket, okay. I'm more never checkpoint. Me? I want a checkpoint right now. Okay. How do I checkpoint that? That was a ladder. Guys, I know these jumps are all possible. I tested them incredible. I'm not doing so good. Guys, I thought I would be beast moding. Guys, this is level 1. We're not on level 2 yet. I am disappointed. I'm still in VK. Still on VK. Y'all see the video when I'm off of VK.
Jennifer became friends with
yeah. Okay, guys, we're almost there.
She talks to her and Papa now.
No!
With the rest of the family.
Can make it, guys.
Me and her life.
Oh, it's our dog. Oh, I'm gonna push. If that ladder will save. If that ladder saved me, guys. That ladder saved me. I'm trying to talk loud. Because last time I was quiet. Okay. Wow. Guys, the beginning of the episode was probably quiet. I'm gonna try to edit that out. I'm probably not because I am lazy. Just kidding. I don't know how to edit. So I'm crouching. I'm gonna drown. No, I don't wanna drown. Okay, guys, oh God. The village is... I didn't take any damage from that. That how bad I feel right though. That's how bad I am at parkour, guys. Guys, I should probably do really bad parkour. No, because I'm gonna die. No, try to death probably. If I'm doing my normal parkour, I'm gonna struggle like really bad parkour. Guys, this ain't gonna be parkour at all. But, yeah. Should not be messed up. That was ready. What? Just in case, guys. Get out of the way, villager. I just did parkour, not next to you. Get out here, Ted. Get out. Ted, get out. Get out, Ted. Bob. That was creepy. Would you messing with my bed? Bob, you made me mad, Bob. Where's Rob at? I don't know. What the Bob done there? Bob can help us out, guys. No. I'm doing it. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna die. Guys, I'm gonna be quiet because I'm concentrating. I might be quiet. Checkpoint save life. Checkpoint, you saved my life. Wait, can I could Level 2. At the beginning, there was a bed. I'm gonna die if I jump on the bed. I gotta jump on the bed. Okay guys, I cannot tell. If I fall, I'm a bad person. No pressure, Matthew. No pressure. The pressure for Master 101. Ouch! I need food. I'm gonna die from that. Guys, I gotta show y'all a good part. I missed it. Right there, there was this intro or speed post. That won't care about my hunger. Then I won't care about the hunger. The last one, like, it's like speed 3 or something. I don't know. I don't know how much speed you can have in this world. This is the future, mate. Let's start pressing. Hey. I'm talking about soccer. Okay, what jersey should I be? Oh, boy. I like this jersey. I got no other. So, whenever I die, I'll respawn though. I like this game. The checkpoint goes. Checkpoint is useless. Okay. No! No! I gotta make sure this is possible because I don't play this part. Okay, possible. Yeah, and it's good. Ooh, ooh, oh yeah. Good. This is gonna kill me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah. At the end of the level. Touchdown! And it's good. Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I wish I could do it. Ooh, not the end of the episode. Wow. Well, it might be the end of the episode. Well, not the end of the timer. Give me carrots as my reward. Oh, guys. If you win levels, you get gold. And if you get gold, you could buy, like, more stuff to help you out. And I lost my short reach. Oh my god, guys, I'm tapping the button. I can't get up. Guys, I'm actually tapping the button. I can't get up. I'm holding the button and I can't get up. I can't get up. Good, y'all. This is the Pro Master 101, and I'm a pro. Yeah, I'm not cheating because I did not cheat, guys. I'm just saying. Remember, that was all me, guys. All me. How about carrots or your wood? So 4 carrots for each level you win, and that's all it's incredible. And I'm gonna go quick mode to do some more than that so we could do more parkour. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and